So let's spice our carousel slider with some effects. So the first effect I want to add is let's add some body effects. So what I will do is I will come to effects. I will click body. I already have some effects I've saved in my favorite. So I want to use this halo too. So this is the effects I want to use. So you click the effect, click it. So here is it. So you you click it while inside the background. You click it. You click objects. Then you want to add it to the product, not the background. So you click the first overlay. So that's it. This is the first overlay. So but you can see the effect is too wide on the product, so you can still adjust. So I'll click adjust and let me resize it. Okay, I see it is now directly inside the product. I don't want it to leave. Yeah, so I like it this way. I don't want it to leave the the body of the product. So this size is okay. So so let me properly position. So I want the effect to appear when it is zooming up. So let me adjust this. So it is zooming up. So when it is zooming up, before the effect will start to appear. So after zooming down, before moving to the left, the effect should disappear. So I have to adjust it. So let me play. All right, so that is it. So let me duplicate. So I will click this and duplicate. So I'll move it to the same line. So let me move the playhead. So before the second image starts zooming, okay, I think, okay, yeah, I've gotten the position. So you place it here. When it has started zooming out, you before the effect will come in. So after you position it, you click the body effect. You come to objects. Now you are putting this effect in the second overlay, not the first one. So I've added it. So let me play it again. So if I play it, you can see, yes, this is exactly what I want. So I have to duplicate this again. I put it in the middle, then move my playhead. So when this one wants to zoom out before the effects will come in, okay, so okay, when it wants to leave, okay, the effects will disappear. So I still need to extend this. All right. Okay. So I will click and add it to the object. The object is the third overlay. Okay. So let me play. Okay, good. So I'll repeat the same thing for the other objects. So let me move the playhead. Okay. Then adjust. Adjust it here. Then click the effects. I'll click objects and the fourth overlay. Okay. So I'll duplicate. I have to repeat this step for all. All right. So is the third one. The fourth one. The fourth one. Before it starts zooming out, let me. So okay. So now click the effect, click object, and add it to this one. All right. So I'll repeat the same step. This is the last image. So okay. So it has to start from here. Okay. So click the effect, click objects, and the last one. So at the end of the day, we'll have something like this. All right. So you can see the effect. You can see the effect. The effect is on all the objects, all the photos. You can see. So we've gotten this part correctly. So the next thing we want to add is the arrow. Those arrows, the arrow left and arrow right. So I will have to overlay. You can use sticker. You can decide to use sticker. If you want, you click sticker, you search for arrow. All right. But what I did, I generated um, images for arrow and the finger clicking. I generated the image, so I'm using images instead of stickers to actually get the feel of what I want. So the next thing I'll do is I will come to overlay, because these things are images. So this is the image of the arrow, so I'll select it. So this is it. So I have to, okay, this is the arrow left. So it's too big. Let me reduce. All right. So let me, okay. So I think this is okay. So let me put it here. Yeah. Okay. This is okay for me. So when you want to do your own, you can do a proper and a very neat work. So I'm just trying to do whatever I can to deliver this knowledge to you. So all right. So this is it. So let me duplicate, because I want to mirror this this object. So where's the duplicate? Okay, this is it. I'll duplicate. Oops, I don't know. Okay, okay, I was not, okay, I was not here. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's because I've already extended it, so it doesn't matter. I will place it. Okay, let me place it at the appropriate position. So you can see this is where I want it to be. All right. So, oops. All right. So this is it. This is where I want it to be. So this is the second image. So I will have to come to, I think transform. Yes, then mirror. Okay, you can see when I click mirror, it has flipped to the other side. So let me add it here. Let me add it here. So I think I need to adjust this one up a bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. All right, so I think it's not bad. So let's test what we've done so far. All right, so you can see the arrows are properly positioned. So you should make sure you position your arrow, position it well. So everything is okay. So the next thing we want to do now is to add the finger click effect. So the first thing I'll do is to overlay the finger. So this is it, this is the hand. So the same thing, I generated this image, all right, because I don't want to use sticker. So I just have to generate this image. So after adding the overlay, I have to extend it. So mm, next thing is to resize, resize down. Okay, so this is okay. What you do is you move it outside the background, right? You move it outside the background. Then you you have to move your playhead. You move your playhead. So when it has zoomed and it wants to zoom in back, uh, you add a keyframe. Okay, so here is it. So this is how I want it to look. uh, have I okay, okay, so this is it, this is it. So what I will do is I'll click the hand, that's the finger. I'll click it, then I'll add a keyframe. I'll add the keyframe. The keyframe is to bring it from the corner down to this position. Then I'll move out of the keyframe, move out of the keyframe, add another keyframe to bring the hand down. Move out of the keyframe, move out of the keyframe. Then the next image, when it is zooming up, I'll add another keyframe to the pointer, as the hand. I'll bring it to this arrow. I'll move out of the keyframe, I'll move out, add another keyframe, then bring the arrow down, move out of the keyframe, you move out of the keyframe. Next image, when it is zooming up, when it is zooming up, I'll add a keyframe to the finger. I'll bring it to the arrow. I'll move out of the keyframe. move gently out of the keyframe. All right. So I add another keyframe to bring the hand down, move out of the keyframe. The next image, I add a keyframe. I have to add a keyframe, right? Don't know why. Okay, yes. So I add a keyframe to move the finger up, move out of the keyframe, add a keyframe to bring it down, move out of the keyframe, repeat this, the same process. All right. So I add a keyframe to the finger. I'll bring it to the arrow, move out of the keyframe, move out of the keyframe, add a keyframe to bring the arrow down, move out of the keyframe, and this is the last um, object, the last photo. So I'll add another keyframe. This keyframe is to move the finger out of the background. So that's it. So let's try what we've done so far. So let me play. Okay, you can see it's moving. Yeah, the hand is moving. So it's working correctly. It's working correctly. So let me play again. All right, so you can see we've gotten all the effects we want. So guys, congratulations to you. You've created your carousel slide effect. If this video added value to you, like, comment, and share. Make sure you follow my pages and subscribe to my YouTube channels for more videos like this.